Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jeep Cherokee hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside your vehicle's cabin, usually on the driver's side near the door or under the dashboard. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You'll hear a distinct click as the primary latch releases. Now, walk to the front of your Jeep Cherokee, ready for the next step in accessing your engine compartment. With the primary latch released, gently lift the hood a few inches. Reach your hand under the front edge of the hood, right above the grille. You'll feel for a small, secondary safety latch mechanism. Depending on your model, you'll either push a small lever to the side or pull a tab upwards. This action will fully disengage the hood's locking system. Now that both latches are free, you can gently lift the hood all the way up. Look for the hood prop rod, which is typically located along the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully remove the prop rod from its clip and insert its end into the designated hole on the underside of the hood or the vehicle frame. This will securely hold the hood open while you work. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its support hole and secure it back in its original clip. Gently lower the hood until it's about 6 inches from fully closing. For a seamless experience, you might also enjoy smart home tech. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Finally, press down firmly on the hood with both hands to ensure the primary latch engages securely, completing the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.